Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to go over something called method overloading or overloading a method. So let's get started by using an example from our last lesson, the two-dimensional array lesson. So here I have an integer array which is initialized to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I just call a method to print the two-dimensional array. Here is the code for the method to print the two-dimensional array. Basically, it's just a nested for loop to print every element of the two-dimensional array. So now if I run that, you can see it's printing every element of the array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a two-dimensional integer array. Now, instead of the integer array, I'm going to comment this out and I'm going to put in a two-dimensional string array. And right away, when I use the same method, you can see that it says that there's an error because there's a type mismatch. The method is expecting an integer, two-dimensional array integer, and I'm passing in a two-dimensional string array. So there is a type mismatch there. So in this case, what we did in the last lesson was we made a copy of this print array method and we changed the data type here to string. I believe we also changed the name of the method to print string to the array, and we changed the format here to string. And now we got to change this here to be the name of the string, print string to the array method. And now we can print it. So as you can see, you can print the two-dimensional string array by creating a new method with a different name to print the string array. But instead of using the string array with a different name, you can actually use the same name. So basically I have two different methods with the same name but different lists of parameters coming in. The first one I have is with the integer double to the array, and the second one I have a string to the array. So let's see how this works. So now after I change this name to be the same as the other one, I gotta change this one too. And as you can see, that it knows that this one matches with this one. So Java automatically knows this. So it's gonna use the string method to print this. And if I run it, click OK, you see that it works. Now if I comment this out and I put the integer array back in, and if I click on here, you can see that Java knows it matches this one with the integer array. So based on the input parameter here, it knows to select this one and not this one, even though they both have the same name. If I try and run this, you can see it also works. So this method of naming two, you can have multiple methods with the same name but different parameter list, is called method overloading. So that's our lesson for today. By the way, if this is your first time watching our video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, and that would help us out a lot. Thank you so much. See you next time.